This video is about Donald Trump's taxes. I've been doing my own taxes for about 30 years now. I really don't do the entire process, but I do all the accounting and the ledgering and all that stuff, and my accountant reviews my work and he does the final tax form. So I understand the way taxes work. Basically, there is absolutely no benefit to anybody obtaining Donald Trump's taxes. There will not be any evidence of ties to Russia, no evidence of any wrongdoing. All that stuff is not contained in taxes. So people who say they want to get his taxes, they're only doing it to smear him. They're not doing it because they're trying to find ties to Russia. You can look at tax forms. You can look up, like, for example, the 1040 is a famous one. You can go and you can download the form and you can read what it says on the form. And what the forms are is basically summaries, like how much money did you spend on your fleet of vehicles? How much money did you spend on computer equipment? How much did you spend on advertising? How much did you earn in interest? There's going to be nowhere in any of those forms that will say, name a person that you did business with. In what country did you do business with? What country are your bank accounts? All those types of questions will never be in the tax forms. That doesn't mean that the IRS cannot request it, but it's not in the tax filings. There is no in terms of corruption and things like that, there's really no benefit to obtaining tax forms. All you're going to see is how much money he earned, how much he reported, how much in taxes he paid, what his deductions were. And when I say deductions, you're not going to see what the items were that were deducted. You're going to see what the dollar amounts were, and it's not going to be itemized. It's going to be a summation of all the deductions. It's just going to be totals of numbers. So there's absolutely no smoking gun, and it's only being done for political reasons. And not only that, the people requesting these documents, they know that there's nothing there. So it's just a game that they're playing. So if you believe the fake news and the fake media that he's hiding his tax return, it's just not true. It's just a joke. People hide their income for different reasons. He doesn't want you to know probably how much taxes he's paying or the methods that he uses to reduce his taxes. You reduce taxes by buying property, by making donations, things like that. That can say a little bit about who you are as a person, but there's no smoking gun here, and it's going to end up being a non-story. Even if the Democrats obtain Donald Trump's taxes, nothing will come out of it, and no impeachment, no corruption, nothing.